An example of a typical situation where a customer is attempting to use a credit card fraudulently. Realizing there is a problem, the shop assistant withholds the card, turns the customer away, and discreetly presses the panic button to alert security. Within seconds, the alert is delivered to the task screen at the security desk. Immediately, the specific location flashes on the screen, and the nature of the alert is also specified by the shop owner. With this information to hand, security can investigate the alert more closely via CCTV, and the closest security guard is contacted via TASphone. Armed with a specific location and physical description, the security guard is able to quickly apprehend the suspect. From this point, the suspect is identified by the shop owner and then taken to a secure area where police are notified. It's as simple as that.